Today, I'm going to show you how to transform a classic artichoke spinach dip into a crowd-pleasing, flavor-packed appetizer with a couple of secret ingredients that takes this dip to the next level. It's creamy, cheesy, and guaranteed to be the star of your next gathering. If we haven't met before, my name is Marletta, and on this channel I teach cooks of all skill levels how to use hot peppers to enhance and not overpower the dishes that they make. Today I'm excited to share my artichoke spinach dip that has just a kick of jalapeno peppers and a couple of other ingredients that takes this dip to the next level. After countless tastings at various restaurants and finding them all lacking that wow flavor, I came up with my own unique recipe. This blend of ingredients delivers a dip that's packed with richness, depth, and a hint of spice. So let's dive in and make something unforgettable. So here's what you're going to need for this spinach dip. First of all, you'll need a 10-ounce package of chopped frozen spinach, thawed and well drained. Squeeze your thawed spinach to remove all the excess water and just set it aside in a bowl. Make sure that your frozen spinach is thawed out completely and squeeze out all the excess liquid because nobody wants a watery dip. And then you're going to want 8 to 10 strips of bacon cut into small pieces, cooked and drained. I've actually already done this ahead of time. And then you want 1 small jar of marinated artichoke hearts, drained and chopped, 1 small can of water chestnuts, chopped, a bunch of green onions, chopped, and then you're going to want a can of small green chilies chopped and 1 can of small jalapeno peppers chopped. And then, let's see, here it is, some chopped garlic and some couple drops of hot sauce, some butter or margarine and some flour, some heavy cream, about a cup of milk, and a whole bunch of cheese. Here I've got, and you can use any kind of cheese you want. I've got 8 ounces of sharp cheddar cheese, Parmesan, Monterey Jack, Colby, and mozzarella. And then you're also going to need 1 block of cream cheese that has been softened, and make sure this is really, really soft. And then a little bit of salt and pepper. And then last but not least, you're going to want some chips, baguettes, or veggie sticks for serving. You'll cook the bacon until it's crisp and just simply drain it on paper towels, which I have already done. So after you cook your bacon, you're going to want to saute your green onions for about 3 minutes until they're translucent. Then you'll add the artichoke hearts, water chestnuts, jalapeno peppers, and green chilies, and cook for another 2 or 3 minutes. Finally, you'll want to add your garlic and cook it for about 30 seconds or just until you can smell the aroma from the garlic, and then set everything aside. Next, in a large pot over medium heat, you're going to melt the butter. Once the butter's melted, add the flour and cook, stirring constantly to make a light roux. This takes, a couple, 3 minutes. Then finally, you're going to add, well, I shouldn't say finally, next you're going to slowly add the heavy cream and cook over medium heat until it begins to thicken. At this point, you will add milk as necessary, just simply to keep the mixture at a good consistency. Once everything is kind of thickened up, add the cream cheese. Again, make sure it's very, very soft and stir until it melted. Then you will add the sauteed green onions, artichoke hearts, water chestnuts, peppers, green chilies, and garlic, and stir until everything is well combined. Add in the bacon, fold in the spinach, and last but not least, add the cheeses until everything is melted. At this point, I put everything in a crock pot to keep it warm until serving. And here it is. So to serve this, I actually like to use these scoopable chips, but you can use any chip that you prefer. It's also really, really good on baguette slices or in a hollowed out sourdough bread bowl, or you can serve it with sliced carrots or celery sticks. And if you happen to have any left over, which in my household we rarely do, it can easily be reheated for a topping for baked potatoes. So now let's give it a try. Wow, this is absolutely delicious. The jalapenos bring just enough heat without overpowering the creaminess, and the spinach adds a nice, fresh, earthy touch. Whether it's a game day, a holiday party, or just a night in, this dip is going to be a hit. I placed a link to the recipe in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and comment and subscribe to my channel for more fun twists on your favorite dishes. I'd love to hear from you. If you make this dish, let me know in the comments how it turned out and if you added your own twist. I'm always looking for something new. See you next time. Bye-bye.